Okay, so what happens now if we're going to use that pattern, but we're looking at a graph, right? So the first thing, let's find the slope and the y-intercept in a graph. Let's review that real quick. Remember, we're looking for our staircase, right? So again, I can see there's a staircase right there, and I can, again, vertical on top, horizontal on the bottom, rise over run for the slope. So I'm going up 3, and I'm going right 1. Well, it looks like our slope is 3 over 1, rise over 1, 3 over 1, or just 3. Right? Remember simplifying that, right? Anything with a denominator of 1 is just the number on top, just that whole number. What's the y-intercept? Well, it's right there at 0, 1. All right, so we see a graph. Now, how can we use that shortcut? Anyway, remember, if we want to do anything bigger than x is 7 or smaller than x is negative 7, we have to redo our graph and make it bigger, right? Because this is a very small section of the graph here. So, right, what happens if we take those same numbers, the slope of 3, coordinates of the y-intercept, 0, 1, right? What if we're looking for 300, right? This is why it's good to have a pattern, because who wants to continue out their graph out to x equals 300, right? That's just no need to do it. There's a pattern for that, right? So same idea. What do we do for that shortcut? Multiply the slope and the x, right? So I'm going to do 3 is my slope. X is my 300 in this problem. 3 times 300, 900. Okay, and then the last step is, what do I do? Add the y-intercept. Easy enough. 900 plus 1, 901. Right, that's it. That's the answer. That's the beauty of knowing this trick, this system, this shortcut. All right, might even say this equation. All right, here we go. One more. What if the slope is 1/4? Again, that means 0.25, 0.25, right? How do you change a fraction to a decimal? Divide it. 1 divided by 4. Boom. All right? So what do I got when x is 80? Remember, I could just do 80 divided by 4. That's 1/4 of 80. Or 80 times 0.25, right? Remember, what's the shortcut? Multiply the slope and the x. So what's the slope? 0.25, which is 1/4, times 80. There's my 20. Okay, one more step. What do I do? Add the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is 56. 20 plus 56, 76, and that's my answer for when x is 80, y is 76. That's it, people. Let's go practice this. It's really that simple. Use that shortcut. It works every single time once you find the slope and the y-intercept. All right? Whether it's a graph or a table, that's what you do.